everyone, my name is Bosejo and welcome back to Greenest Farms episode 2. Apologies for being extremely loud, I just wanted to grab y'all's attention, but let's get into it. Now, if you watched our first video, you remember this wall. Back then, we're still laying blocks, brick by brick, sweating in the sun, and I don't know about you, but namhlanje uyashisa and stuff, but anyways, it's besides the point. Look at it now. We're almost done with it. Almost. In farming, almost done is a lifestyle. You'll learn that. But I'm yapping again. But that's besides the point again. But before I get into the progress, let me be serious and let me be honest with you about something. When my dad first told me we're going into poultry, I laughed. I actually laughed. I was like, chickens. What is a chicken going to do for me? How do you make money from a bird that runs away from its own shadow? Hey, that was supposed to make you guys laugh, and I hope you're laughing, but yeah, because they do run away. Yeah, but anyways. And I've realized everyone does that. The moment you tell people you're going to poultry, they don't take you seriously. They think you're wasting your time. They think there's nothing in this industry. And you know what's so sad? The people you love the most are usually the first ones to laugh. I know, because to be honest, I was that person. Anyways, here we are at the suppliers loading up the sheets roofs, because it turns out when you stop laughing and start researching, chickens stop being a joke and start being a business plan, and a business plan needs roofs. So as you can see, we just packed the roofing sheets. We're going back to the farm. See you guys there. Asambi. Look at this! This is what I want you to see. That structure with the shiny new roof, that's Coop 1, our first chicken house, almost complete. Next to it, Coop 2, catching up. Yay, it's catching up. And that bare steel skeleton on the top, that's Coop 3. It fell behind, but we're pushing to catch up to 3 coops from a piece of land that people drove past without a second look. Yep. Hi there, guys. I'm about to yap again, but I'm about to yap and educate you at the same time, so I'm yapping serious things. Here's the thing I learned when I did my research. There is a gap in the market. People need chickens every single day. Weddings, funerals, Sunday lunches. Chisanyama, the demand does not sleep. You asking me, is it easy? No. Let me not lie to you. It's feed, vaccination, paying workers. It's showing up every day. Even when you're tired. You spend money for months before money spends back. But eventually, you will break even. After that, it will pay you back. I'm telling you. This is my first time doing this. So yes, laugh if you want to. I love to, remember. But watch these guys work. Every measurement, every level check. This is us learning as we go, making mistakes, fixing them, and moving forward anyway. You know what I'm most grateful for? We're building something that is not going anywhere. This isn't a trend. It's not a quick hustle that disappears next month. These are structures, these are lands, this is business. It stays, it grows. One day it will feed families, and maybe including ours. Yo guys, about you guys can see like that guy with the blue cap with the white shirt, the one with the hand on the hip. His name is Mabena, coolest guy I think. If you were asking for my opinion, he doesn't like he's a yapper low-key had some peace. But anyways, now look, I'll be straight with you. The greenest land is not the biggest. We're not out here with hectares and hectares, but you know there's a saying that they say you need to start somewhere. Every big farm you've ever seen started exactly like this, with one wall, one slab, one coop, and a family that decided to stop laughing and start a business. So, sorry, I don't know how I did that. I can be weird sometimes, sorry. And this is where the chickens will live. Walls up, roof up, floor done, from an empty piece of bush to this. So at first I thought the guy with the blue shirt is pretending to work because maybe he's on camera. Because what was he doing? Like with the plank with the rock underneath it, like Winzani. But then I watched it again and like maybe he was gonna use the wheelbarrow to climb over the second coop and all that and add more soil to level it out. But anyways, that's besides the point. This is where the chickens will live. The walls will be up, roofs will be on, floors will be done, from an empty piece of bush to this. So here's all I'm asking for, and I'm just humbling myself. Can you please support us? You can support us by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing it with that person who laughs at small ideas. And drop a comment. Tell me about an idea that you did not take seriously at first. Those are the shoes that my dad went to give to Nicholas because he's been an absolute darling, a whole sweetheart. That's Nicholas with the blue hemp. You see, he was crying. He just wiped a tear off. I'm joking. But Nicholas, we genuinely grateful for your efforts and dedication towards this whole project. He's technically the project manager when we're not around. But anyways. We also bought some plants from my granny's crib to plant into the farm to just give it a bit of life and a little greenery, because like we killed all the greenery. But anyways, yeah, so Malama Baby is the one that's sitting down, just recently stood up, like and Uncle Nicholas, yeah, they were the ones that like planted them, and they look so nice. Oh my god. Yeah, basically just wanted to tell you guys that. Okay everyone, we have reached the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next episode, because in the next episode I'll be showing you guys the usual progress, and you don't want to miss out on that chaos. I'm joking, there's no chaos, but yeah, I'm signing out once again. My name is Osego, and I'll see you in episode 3. Goodbye.